Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set your avatar to pose on Roblox. So select avatar, then you're going to select this section here. You can select from these poses. I'm just going to select this one because it's pretty cute. You can also shop for more. I'm just going to select next here. You can zoom it in however you want. You can also rotate it if you'd like to. And you can also rotate it here as well. When you're done, select next. You can also view full avatar, and I'm just going to select save, so that the avatar will be like that on your page here. Well, someone else has to view it, I guess. Oh, you can view it here. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.